Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric drill grinders. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is DIY drill engraving. Specifications. Brand name, Fox. Usage, home DIY. Max. Drilling diameter, 3.2 mm. Rated input power, 180 watts. No load speed, 30,000 RPM. Frequency, 50 to 60 watts. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Is customized, yes. Weight, 600 g. Certification, CE. Item number 4 is cordless drill rotary tool. Specifications. Brand name, XMSJ. Usage, home DIY. Application, 3-speed adjustment. Frequency, max 16,000 RPM. Power source, battery. Drill type, mini drill. No load speed, 16,000 RPM. Is customized, yes. Weight, 220 g. As the item number 3 we've selected, electric mini drill engraver rotary tool. Specifications. Brand name, Fox. Rated torque, 55 Nm. Max. Drilling diameter, 3.2 mm. Rated input power, 180 watts. No load speed, 30,000 RPM. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Power source, AC. Color, black. Certification, CE. Item number 2 is ValueMax electric drill grinder. Specifications. Brand name, ValueMax. Model number, V004144A. Usage, home DIY. No load speed, 5,000 to 18,000 RMP. Power source, electricity. Variable speed, yes. Rated voltage, 4 volts. Type, mini grinder. Certification, CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, cordless grinder. Specifications. Brand name, Shinhatsu. Model number, PSD008. Max. Drilling diameter, 3.2 mm. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Power source, battery. Rated voltage, 3.7 volts. Chuck head size, 0.5 to 3.2 mm. Weight, 150 g. Certification, CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.